The primary burden of addressing plastic pollution should fall on large corporations and producers, since they are the ones who decide how products are made, packaged, and distributed. Local government also play a key role in managing waste system and enforcing regulation, while consumers contribute by choosing sustainable options when accessible. For long-term solution, systematic changes such as extended producer responsibility, investment in recycling and reuse infrastructure, and stricter regulation on single-use plastic are crucial to reduce plastic as its source rather than just managing its waste. Plastic pollution makes life harder for poor communities because many of them live near dam sites or polluted areas. This exposes them to sickness and can take away jobs, especially in fishing and tourism. Many waste pickers also work in unsafe conditions with very little pay. To be fair, policies should make companies pay for the pollution they cause, protect vulnerable communities first, and include them in planning solutions. Environmental justice means no one should suffer more just because they are poor. Moving away from plastic should be done in a way that doesn't hurt low income families. One way is to make refill station, bulk buying, and return system cheaper and easier to access. Governments and companies can also help by giving support to small stores, lowering the cost of reusable items and creating new packaging from local and natural materials. This way, eco-friendly options become affordable and available for anyone, not just the rich. In the Philippines, the big problems with plastic policies are weak enforcement, lack of money for waste system, and the difficulty of handling waste across many islands. Sometimes corruption and unclear rules also make it worse. To fix this, there should be stricter national laws, whether funding from producers through programs like extended producer responsibility and stronger support for local governments. Waste speakers should also be recognized and given safer, fairer work with better monitoring and community support. Policies can work more effectively. Our idea of progress should not only be about money or growth, but also about caring for people and the environment. Real progress means improving lives today while protecting resources from the future. Education is very important in teaching people how to take care for the planet, and cultural cur- cultural change is needed to make reuse and repair normal again. By shifting our values, focus on community care and sustainability, we can create a better and fairer kind of development.